have made enhancements to make searching for your vacation easier. If you already know what destination or resort you'd like to go to, but only want to see what is available that year, put the destination or resort in here, and put in the year you'd like to visit. Your search results will return in both exchange weeks in purple and rental weeks in orange. To filter your results, click Filter Results in the upper right corner and uncheck what you don't want to see. For example, if you are only looking for rental weeks, uncheck Exchange and only rental weeks will show. Once you are done, click the X in the upper right corner to return to your search results.